What yoy? Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. It's Cook and Vibe. I'll do it every time. White shadow on the camera. You see me? Yeah. Do you know what? We're still at Raf Jams and there's loads of little spots that where man can cook. So I just thought this is an absolutely beautiful spot. If you have a look around you, there's a river just right beside us. You know? Yeah, banana trees. Up in our mountains. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So, why today we are cooking some fried snapper and bammy. Yeah. See the snapper them?
Yeah, man.
Got the snapper them there, right by the river. And we got our Jamaican Bammy. Yeah, which is made out of cassava, if you didn't already know. You get me? So right now, the sun just start to kick. And that may I tell her, but yeah, natural coal and everything. Building up the fire, burning the plastic for the fire lighter. You get me? Keeping it going. That soon ready. So yeah man, I revived today. Fried snapper and bammy. Why yoy? You get me? So I'm gonna season up the fish in a minute. I'll show you what I season up the fish with. Gonna make a little pickle pepper, little escovitch for afterwards. And fry up the bammy. Yeah man. 3 years at the fire. Yes, Cook and Vibe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Follow White Shadow on Instagram, YouTube. You know anything, though. Bye. Alright people, you have to go scare the fish, you know? Voilà. Yeah. Scale up the fish, you know? Yeah man. Yeah, clean. You get me? It's all been gutted already. Like clean inside there, man. So that's good to go. Whoa, you the pot of floor there. Where the pot go? Hey, next fish we are dealing with people. The one they kind of clean already. So next thing, seasoning. Why yoy?
Grill's jerky had marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why yoy?
Yeah. Fish them clean up, people. So now, just gonna season them. Nothing too strenuous. Some all-purpose and couple things. Is that me? Cook and Vibe. Why yoy? So right now we're just giving the fish a little, you see me? Just so we can get some flavour inside there. On the side. Understand? Yeah, so That good. Really over seasoning people. Just one all purpose there. And give a little season to the bone. And like a dash one piece at a time. You know the iron. All right, so we're just gonna season it with some spicy to the bone. So I'm just gonna dash the seasoning in there and season up all 3 fish with the seasoning same time. And we've got some all-purpose there as well. You get me? Little red stripe in the shot and a problem. Jamaica with it. So yeah, man. Put some seasoning and now I can just get that inside them parts there. Isn't it? So you have to season your meat properly, man. Isn't it? Yes, people get inside there. Fish season up and ready. We're just gonna put the pot on now, get some oil in there, good to go. Oil on. Why? So, that come off there. Well on there. Well on there, people. Alright, so need to put the fish on this before yeah. So then you can put season over there. And wash this pot out. Hand wash. There. And all we can do is just put that on there for a minute. And I'll just dry it out. Isn't it? So once that's dried out for a minute, we've got our cooking oil. Oil in, fish there. When the fish done, take them out, dash in the bammy. Yeah. Directions. Soak bammies in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Fry or grill into golden brown. So we need to soak them, so that's what we're gonna do now.
Yes, people, it's cook and vibe.
Oi! Waiting for the oil to heat up now, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Riverside things.
Good vibe.
Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty.
Oi! So, fish. Oi! Don't feel like we can get archery fish in there, you know? Yeah, man, we are gonna dash archery fish in there. All right. See that, people? Oi! Yeah, man, fish are fry up. You see me? Yeah, man. We got shadow. Yeah. Smelling good still. Why? You can see fish are frying up nicely. You see me? We've got our bammy soaking in water. I'll just put the water inside there. fry them up afterwards. Oi, oi. Oi, oi, people. So I've got my little things then for my little escovage afterwards. Yeah, little Scotch bonnet, onion, some pimento seed, and some vinegar. Yeah, fish them supposed to be pretty much done. Yeah, now we're gonna put in the bammy then. Oi, oi. Oi, oi. Two at a time we're going to do with the bammy then, yeah? So inside there, the pimento, onion, Scotch bonnet, flavouring for the fish. You see me? The bammy them I want. Oi, oi! Look at that! The flies them enough, so you have to just find it, you see me? Bammy there, we got a little pickle pepper on top of the fish. You get me? And that's how we plate it up. Yeah. Fish and bammy. You understand? Fried fish and bammy. Yeah. Whoa, yo, it flies them nothing. Why? You have the food. Yo, people. A good vibe. More bammy and fry up there. A pickle pepper in there. Everything I go on, man. Shadow there. A good vibes, man. Right there, so. Taste time. Alright people, taste time. Do you know what? That's mad. Like my storage on the camera and that is just telling me full. I've done so much work when I'm out here. You get me? So let's get some fish. Get a Scotch bonnet. That seasoned really well. Yeah. I've already started eating because we actually shot this shot before and then we run out of storage. Bammy. Perfect and crispy. Got the flavour from the oil. Honestly, man. 10-10. Escovitch fish, fried fish and bammy. The food is as good as the environment. Big up White Shadow, Cook and Vibe, big up Texans. See you next week. Bye.
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance.
Oi, people. It's the big up section. Yeah. Big up Ras Kitchen. Yeah, big up Ras Kitchen says big up guys. And that was on the video of linking up with Moko. And I just want to say a big thank you to Ras Kitchen because they really gave us a big boost and a big strength on Cook and Vibe throughout the years. Do you know what I'm saying? And Anton Raymond says, oh, and big up Ratty, of course. You get me? So big up yourself, my G. I hope everyone's all right. Yeah. Cook and Vibe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Do the right thing. Oi, oi. I'll see you next time.